Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
We'll dive straight into preparing these nutritious greens. Cooking sprouts at home is much simpler than you might think, and it unlocks a world of flavor and health benefits. They're packed with vitamins and enzymes, making them a fantastic addition to almost any meal. You'll soon discover just how easy it is to elevate your dishes with fresh, homemade sprouts. Proper preparation ensures your sprouts are clean and ready for cooking. Give them a good rinse in a colander, tossing gently to ensure all parts are clean. For hardier sprouts like chickpeas or lentils, a quick soak dramatically reduces cooking time and improves texture. Drain them well after soaking before moving on to your chosen cooking method. This simple step makes all the difference. Steaming preserves nutrients and keeps sprouts vibrant. Simply place them in a steamer basket over boiling water, ensuring they don't touch the water itself. For blanching, a quick dip in boiling water followed by an ice bath locks in color and stops the cooking process. This method works wonderfully for sprouts you plan to add to salads or other cold dishes, keeping them crisp and fresh. Sautéing adds a wonderful depth of flavor and a slight crispness to your sprouts. Use a non-stick pan with a little healthy oil, then toss your sprouts in, letting them cook gently. They'll soften slightly and develop a richer taste as they caramelize just a bit. This method is perfect for warm salads, side dishes, or as an addition to stir-fries, offering a delightful texture. Your freshly cooked sprouts are now ready to enjoy. They can elevate a simple meal or become the star of a vibrant salad. Don't be afraid to get creative with seasonings. A little garlic, some chili flakes, or a squeeze of fresh lime juice can transform their taste entirely. These simple additions will make your homemade sprouts a truly delicious and healthy part of any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.